Hi, my name is Mike Zazadny. I'm the Service Director with the LaFontaine Automotive Group. Standing here at Ecorse High School today for the ribbon cutting of their new automotive program. Amazing. This is awesome. This is what all high schools should wrap their arms around, right? Grow our kids. Give them an opportunity to make six figures as an automotive service technician. Yeah, you can't make that right out of the gates, but with some time, a couple years of training, you're right there. You are making $70,000 to $100,000 a year. No college necessary. Just the right attitude, passion, and the desire to work on cars. That's all you gotta have.
We are so super excited to have these type of partners, the big wigs of the industry coming in to support these students. LaFontaine, they're going to do job opportunities for our students, work-based learning where our students are able to go to the dealership and do hands-on educational things. So we're super excited about LaFontaine and GM coming alongside of us.
Hi, I'm Congresswoman Rashida Tlaib, and I'm a proud representative for the 13th District Strong, which houses Ecorse High School. And I'm so proud to be here with LaFontaine family that has invested in this school in creating the Automotive Center. For so many of our youth here, you know, sometimes access to community college and traditional colleges is not easy. So having alternatives like this as a pathway to be able to thrive and be able to give back in so many ways is so incredibly important. So I like to see, especially our neighbors that are business partners that are coming in and not just talking about business, but how do we give back to the community? And LaFontaine decided to do it by giving people opportunities like this to be able to excel after high school. And for many, again, of our youth, I think they really appreciate partnerships from LaFontaine that comes at the grassroots level to give back in this very thoughtful way.
We, as part of our mission statement, wrap our arms around the community, right? It is our mission, it is our life, and it matters to me. I live our mission statement, and this is our community. What else can I say, man?